Welcome to the baby school! Learn the letter C.
C is for cow.
C is for cake.
C is for crab.
C is for crayon.
C is for crow.
C is crown.
C is for cucumber.
C is for cupcake.
C is for calculus. C is for calendar.
C is for camel.
Teen. C for C. C is for can.
L. C is for candle.
C is for candies or candy.
C is for cap. C is for car. C is for castle.
C is for cat. C is for chair. C is for chess. C is for chicken.
C is for child. C is for chocolate.
C is for cloud. C is for clown. C is for coat. C is for Cobra. C is for coconut. C is for coffee. C is for coin. C is for computer. C is for cookie.
C is for cabbage. C is for cactus.
C is for camera. Let's take a fun picture together. C is for cantaloupe.
C is for carrot.
C is for caterpillar.
C is for cave.
C is for chameleons. C is for cheese. C is for cherry. C is for chili.
C is for circle.
C is for city.
C is for clock.
C is for cocoa. C is for comb.
C
C is for corn.
C is for cup.